Hi everyone, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services, and I just wanted to show you this impressive farmhouse property that we have for sale in the pretty hilltop village of Serra D Aiello, which is approximately 25 minutes drive north of Lamezia Terme airport. The property was constructed from a local stone with walls approximately 80 centimetres thick. It's been lovingly restored by its current owners, maintaining some of its original features. The property is on 2 levels, approximately in a total of 170 square metres. The ground floor consists of a large lounge, a large kitchen and bathroom, and upstairs there are 3 good-sized bedrooms, the master bedroom having an ensuite bathroom. All the ceilings are wooden beamed and they've been well maintained. The property is set in approximately 32,000 square metres of land with approximately 180 to 200 olive trees. So, if living in a renovated farmhouse is your dream, then this property could be for you. Hopefully, we'll see you soon.